Hi guys, are you aware that you can also start up your YouTube channel today, grow it, and start making thousands of dollars just by uploading content on YouTube? Is that simple and easy? And I'm here to show you how you can create your YouTube channel, set it up, and start uploading content just like others and be making money right here on YouTube. Alright, so to do that, you need a Google account. A Google account is the same as Gmail account. Okay, so just go get a Gmail account or a Google account, which is the same. If you don't have, for me, I already have one, and you can see it here is already logged in. So you need it logged in. So log it in on your uh, Gmail account. Once it's logged in on your phone, then head to your YouTube app. If you don't have a YouTube app, you can just download it from Play Store or App Store. Alright, you can see mine here. So I'll click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, look down here to the right. You will see the Google account that is logged in there. So click on it there. So once you click on it, you can see this is the Google account. Okay, and you can switch account. Click on this switch account if you want to switch. If the Google account shown here is not the one you want to use, you can just click on switch account and then you switch to that account you want to use. Okay, so once you select the account you want to use, the next thing you want to do to start creating your account is to click on this create a channel. Once you click on that, it's going to request for the name, the name, the handle, username, and also the picture you want to have on your YouTube channel. So let's ignore this for now because I've not actually created any for this channel. I am only doing this for educational purpose. All right, so for the name, let's just say, so for you go ahead and put the name you want to use for your channel. Let's say I would say movie recap, because I actually want to start a movie recap channel very soon. So I'd use movie recap as the name of the channel, and I'll click and also come back to this. So let's say this is the handle of the channel, the name, the handle you want to use for the channel. It could be anything, and let's say PTV movie recap. Let's use this for now. You can change it later, but let's just use that. And then for the picture, I can do that later. So that's all for now. Just go ahead. But for you, if you have the picture you want to use already, you can just go there and select the picture. All right, then hit on that create channel button, and that's it. The channel is created. If you go back to this place now, this bottom part, you see that the channel is created already, though without an image there. Okay, let me go get an image and come back.
A few moments later.
So I just downloaded 2 pictures which I can use now. So let's go to view channel so I can edit, and I'll click on this pencil icon right here. So after that, just click on this top side. Even if you have a picture there already, you can just select it and choose a new picture which you want to use. So I'll just go to my gallery and select, let me try this picture right here. I think it looks good. So if that's fine, then click save profile picture and you'll have it right there. Photo added, updated successfully. And if you also have a banner, you can also upload that here. Let me see if I can use any of the picture I downloaded as the banner, but the dimension is different. It's not going to look nice. Yeah, dimension is smaller, so you can work towards that, design something nice, and you can leave it like that. That's not the major thing. All right, but for good branding, you can just go ahead and get something that will size the banner there. Okay, so after that you can add good description here. Okay, for me, I can for the description you can just be creative, put something there, or you can just use chat GPT to just give you a very revised description for your own channel, for what you do, for your niche. All right, so just go ahead and put something. So in case you want to ask ChatGPT or any AI to give you a description, let me show you how you can do that. I'm using Meta AI, so I'm saying write me a beautiful and concise description which I can add to my movie recap channel on YouTube. Okay, so let's see what it will give us. Okay, so okay. This is looking good, but I need it a little shorter. Make it shorter than this. I need something very short. Relieve the magic of cinema with in-depth recap and thoughtful analysis. Okay, this is good. So I'll just replace my channel name there. So you can do something like this, or you can write it from your head. Okay. Let me just say on our channel. So I would save that, and what else? That's okay for this. So I would go back and voila, I think we are done setting up the channel. You can see the channel name, movie recap. You can edit this anytime. Just come back to the pencil icon and you change the name. So I can change this to, let's say, BTV movie recap, something like that. Once you come back, you have it there. You can see BTV movie recap. Okay, and anything you want to edit, come back there, edit it, add pictures, change picture, anything. So once you're done, you save it, and you have your brand new channel ready for uploads, ready for that grinding you've been expecting, you've been waiting all your life, and start making the kind of money you want to make. Okay, creating the channel is not the main thing, but putting in the right work that will earn you that desired amount of money. Okay, so having created your channel, the next thing you want to do is start creating content. Start creating quality content and be consistent. Okay, in my next video I'm going to be sharing with you tips on how to grow your channel fast and start making money from it. Those tips are what many have used. There are tips I've also used that has grown my channel to where it is now and has made me the money I've made from my channel. So I'm going to be sharing those tips with you in my next video. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please subscribe, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that when I upload that video you'll be notified and you also watch it and learn those tips. All right, thank you. I think that will be all. I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.